It's your boy, T Green, and I'm back with another episode of Doc Talks. Put that fish on ice, baby. Let's go.
Just got back in town, and I thought I was gonna chill, man. But nope, time to go fishing. So the missus wanna go. Hey, I kinda wanna see what's going on too, man. Make sure I ain't missing nothing. So we finna head out to the Boynton Inlet. Hopefully we catch something. If not, we gonna see. Be right back. I'm getting my drag. I had to drop my other pole, y'all. We back in business. Oh, he pulling too. I keep him tight on me. Oh yeah, he decent. He decent. Oh, he decent. He decent, YouTube. Oh, what is it? What is it? Yeah. Must be a blue runner. Oh, I'm sorry for getting y'all caught up, brother. All right.
Oh, that's a blue.
A blue? Yeah. Thought it was a blue runner, but it's a baby blue fish, y'all. Yeah, that's a blue fish. Yes. Yeah. Yes, sir. Boy, he hit that thing like no tomorrow. Yeah, he was. Messed up my knot on my other pole. Ooh. I may have to eat me some fish and grit. Oh no, I got my Jamaican food, man. I got a Jamaican food. That water cold. Boy, he pulled my hook kind of bent. I'm gonna have to bend him down a little bit. I just used the concrete. If he was a big bluefish, he would have bit through this tackle. Yeah, he would have. Go back in that honey spot. I got him. I think I got him, ladies and gentlemen. I almost missed him though. I was trying to get this mullet out. Oh, he's swimming. He trying to go towards the thing. Oh, he bit. Oh, he came off. Don't know. That's just the way it be sometimes. Sometimes you win them, sometimes you lose them. But I should have stood up right off rip. It felt like another bluefish though. Yeah, cause he was pulling. He wasn't gonna pop that 30-pound braid though. Oh well, try for him again. He got off. Ain't that something? I need to change these hooks. Maybe it's some hooks. Can't be looking at, he got me too. That was a fun little fight. He must was a snapper. I don't know what he was. I ain't gonna even lie and make up something. It is what it is. They in that honey spot, boy. I'm gonna hurry up and go right back there. Get my little towel, wash my fingers off. We're going right back there. That's the second time he got me. The third time won't be a charm. He got me 2 times, so he think he full. I'm going right back there. This time I'm gonna make sure I set that hook. Yeah, this time I'm really make sure I set the hook if I get him. Yeah. Yeah. Got us behind that time. Got that behind that time. He ain't getting away. I'm applying pressure. But he feel like a baby, but he a little bait snapper. What you is? What you is? Oh, he got off at the end of the thing again. Hey, look, that was a sand perch though. It just wasn't meant, y'all. Let me make sure. Okay, yeah, my hook's still all right. First thing we got to do is check these hooks because it's just not making no sense. Yeah, still got the barb. He just got away fair and square. But that was fun though. Sometimes it's about having fun with it too though. But it'll still be nice to have them. I just need me 2 more blues and hey, I made it. I know what I'm gonna eat for dinner. Yeah. Yeah. Appreciate it, brother. Oh, wow. He don't want that Margate. What you be catching over there when you be fishing on the side? I go down there and get it. Appreciate it, brother. Right, oh man, you got a slab. Thank you. Y'all see the big Margate? It's a big fish, that boy. Nice slab. Babe, look how big that Margate is. Oh, yes, sir. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Oh. What is it? Let me stand up this time. He ain't finna get off. Oh, he's swimming hard towards. He's trying to get out. Where you going? Oh, you catfish. That's why he was fighting so hard. He's a cat. Meow. Yeah, you right.
Ah, babe, no, babe. Babe, go somewhere now. Babe. Babe. Ah! No, babe. Come down.
I gotta get my pliers. Hey, stop meowing.
Yeah, you might have outfished me today.
I'm moving out of the way. I didn't want his thorn to go in me. Yeah. Right here. Yeah.
Don't forget, like and subscribe.
Yes, sir. You got it. So, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. This your boy, T Green, and see you on the next one.
Put that fish on ice, baby. Let's go.